Hello Rockstar, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a means of transforming your life by using products and getting paid for it, this is the channel for you. To subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post valuable content. If this is your first time, my name is Obapa Ekuajechi. I am a journalist and I am an entrepreneur. I partner with this multinational manufacturing company that manufactures daily care products, pet care products, and they ask you to use the product, so they pay you for using the product. If this sounds like you, hit on the notification bell and subscribe to get valuable content. In today's video, I am going to show you two structures, which the first structure is the pyramid scheme, which I call the 60-year rule, and the 21st century structure, which I call the MLM structure. This is the system that we know, the traditional system that you know, where you go to school, you get your degree, you get employed, and you start making families. So with this, when you get a job, this is the structure that you put yourself in. With this structure, the least person must rise to the top, or you may not rise at all to the top. That's it is only the people at the top that make the huge money when they begin. So let's start from 25 years or more. You start your work, you get employed. So at 25 years, fortunately for you, you are employed in a company that pays you 40,000 Ghana cedis. Now here you may have a child, but let's say you have no child, so you have less responsibilities after paying your utility bills. Now, after paying your utility bills, which includes water, electricity, and some maintenance, how much do you think you can save from the 40,000 cedis at 25 years? I'm going to save 1,000 Ghana cedis. So after 10 years, where we are 35 years, and we are being paid 40,000 Ghana cedis, we may have a child at this age, and we have utilities and responsibilities to pay. So how much do you think we can save from 40,000 as we have a child and responsibilities? It is going to take some chunk of money from our salary, which is monthly. So let's save the same amount, which is 1,000. For 10 years, where we are 45 years, let's say we rose to the top of the pyramid. Okay, so we had an increment in salary, so it's 45,000 cedis. At this time, we may have another child, which would equal 2 children, and we have utilities to pay. So how much do you think we can save from this 45,000 here? Let's save 5,000. Let's say 5,000 Ghana cedis. So we are nearing the 60-year pension age, where it is mandatory for everybody to go on pension. So at this age, we move on to the next stage, or the next age group, or the next age bracket, where we are 55 years and we are earning 45,000. Again, as it is typical with some Ghanaian homes, we may want to have another child. We call the pension baby, and we would also have utilities to pay. Utilities include water, electricity, car maintenance, or whatever. So how much do you think we can save again from the 45,000 with these 3 children that we have now? So let's save 2,000 Ghana cedis. Now, mind you, when we get to 60 years and we are at the pension age, we go home with our pension So before our pension, how much are we saving from 45,000 and our maintenance, our utilities? So let's say again 2,000 Ghana cedis. Now, when we get to pension, we are getting no money from anywhere. We can't transfer our job to our children. So this is how life is going to be for you after you hit 60 years, and this is your savings, and you have nowhere to get extra income. Now, these savings may depreciate depending on the economic situation in the country. This is a 70-year rule. This is like the pyramid scheme where you cannot rise to the top unless you own the organization or you were promoted in the organization. This is the 21st century structure. Everybody can rise to the top, and it depends on you to work your way to the top. With this structure, everybody can become the CEO because you manage your side hustle the way you want it. From the same age at age 25, at this point, you may have no earnings because you just started. You need to get knowledge, you need to get mentored, you need to be coached, you need to psych yourself. So at this point in time, you have nothing. So you have huge utilities, you have no child, but you have nothing to write home about. And at this point to when you start, you don't earn much. So you have no savings, it's zero. You can't save anything, you don't have anything. After 10 years, you may be earning something because you've already had the knowledge, you've been mentored, you've psyched yourself, you've had your grants, so you begin to bear fruits, and let's say 1,500 is what you are paid a week. Now here you have a child and you have utilities to pay. At this point in time, you can save roughly 500 cedis. You may not be comfortable, but this is weekly. So every week you are paid 1,500 and you save 500 cedis. Now 10 years after, when you are 45 years and you have another child and you have utilities to pay, this may have multiplied. So let's say you are paid 3,000 for the week. So every week you are paid 3,000 cedis and you have two children, you have utilities to pay. How much are you going to save if you are paid a week with this? Approximately, we are saving 1,000 cedis a week. At 55 years, where you have another child, so you have three children, and you have your utilities to pay. You are paid 5,000 Ghana cedis a week. So how much are you saving from the 5,000 a week? Let's say we are going to save 1,000 again, 1,000 Ghana cedis. So when you are reaching retirement, which is 60 years here in Ghana, your weekly payment may increase. Let's make it 6,000 cedis a week. Okay, you have utilities to pay and your children are three. So 6,000 cedis a week. How much are we saving a week? We are saving, let's save 1,000 cedis a week. So this is how the MLM structure is. When you find yourself in the right company, you get informed and educated, you get mentored here. With this structure, you can pass it on to your children, and you need no certificate to be a part of this. You need no certificate. This is why this company, which manufactures organic products for 31 years and is registered in 183 countries globally, is asking you to use the products they manufacture. So they pay you for up to 60 years and beyond for using the products, where you can ask your children to manage it by buying products and also getting paid for it. This organization is in Africa, is in Ghana, is in Nigeria, Botswana, Mozambique, South Africa, Mauritius, and so many countries in Africa. So if this sounds like you, if you want to do this with us, just leave a message below in the comment section, and I'm going to email you and I'm going to get you started immediately. If I have provided you with value, make sure you hit on the notification bell and get notified anytime I post valuable content. Do well to also subscribe to this channel. I am going to come by your way some other time, but until I do that, my name again is Obapa Ekwajeche, and I'll see you at the top. It's bye-bye for now.